Hello everyone, it's Anna. Today I'm going to clean the outer surface of this black mirrored wardrobe and restore its clear, glossy shine. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First I take a soft microfiber cloth and lightly spray it with a gentle glass cleaner. I prefer spraying the cloth instead of the mirror itself because it helps control the amount of liquid and prevents streaks from forming. I begin at the top corner of the wardrobe and slowly wipe across the surface. Using smooth horizontal movements, I move from one side to the other. This helps keep the cleaning even and makes it easier to see where I've already wiped. Black mirrored surfaces often show fingerprints and small smudges, especially near the handles or edges. So I pay extra attention to those areas, gently polishing them with the cloth until the marks disappear. Next, I move down to the middle section of the wardrobe. I continue wiping in calm, steady strokes, letting the cloth glide softly across the reflective surface. As the cleaner leaves the dust and fingerprints, the mirror begins to look clearer and brighter. Finally, I take a dry part of the microfiber cloth and gently polish the mirror one more time. This step removes any remaining streaks and gives the surface that smooth crystal clear shine. And just like that, the black mirrored wardrobe looks fresh and spotless again. A clean mirror surface instantly makes the whole room feel brighter and more organized. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more calm and satisfying cleaning routines.